Today's presentation will be about the Renaissance. It spanned from the 14th to the 17th century. The Renaissance is a period of time that means rebirth. As I said, it spanned from the 14th to the 17th century. The Renaissance period was more widely known as part of the Golden Age. In this second slide, I will be talking about some of the events that happened in the 14th and 17th century. This one here is Joan of Arc and the Siege of Orleans. This one here is the Spanish Inquisition. This one here is when Leonardo paints The Last Supper. This one here is very famous, and it's when Michelangelo paints the Sistine Chapel. This one over here is the Scientific Revolution. In this, I'll be talking about one or two of the people that were very important during the Renaissance. Michelangelo, this person here. He was a sculptor, a painter, and an architect. He was considered to be one of the greatest artists in the Renaissance period. Michelangelo received commissions from the most wealthy and powerful men of Michelangelo's day, including popes and others affiliated with the Catholic Church. His most known work is his Peter and David sculptures and the Sistine Chapel ceiling paintings. These have been carefully tended to and preserved. This person here is Galileo. He had major influences in designs of hydraulics, mechanical engineering, structural engineering, and the constructions of canal systems with locks, bridges, fortification, advanced weaponry of the day, both offensive and defensive. This is where most of the Renaissance took place. Italy is where most of the Renaissance took place. This is where Michelangelo painted the Sistine Chapel and many other things. Europe also had played a very big part during the Renaissance period. Here is a couple of timelines that have the significant events during the Renaissance. The significance. The Renaissance was a major contributor to the progression of art and literature. Before the Renaissance, the kings and upper class people had power and knowledge, but the peasants on the other hand had no knowledge, and the upper class wanted to keep it that way. They made, in theory, all attempt to gain knowledge illegal. Even Leonardo da Vinci wasn't allowed to gain knowledge. During the Renaissance period, people gained knowledge. People became more aware of what was going on. In conclusion, I believe that the Renaissance was significant because 1. People began to understand and learn, which shaped the way we live today. Our knowledge is not dependent on what family we were born into. 2. Literature and arts are what they are today because of acts of many people, including Leonardo da Vinci, Galileo, and many others.